I'm on that white horse, I'm Hercules. I ball out like rage on Rondo. Get him drunk, then take him to my condo.
What's going on, guys? Orkine here, and we're here with Bad Influence, mate. What's going on, son?
Crackin' boy.
Alright, so we are... I messaged a guy about the body kit that was on this, which is sitting right over there on the floor. It's in a half decent condition, but you know, more content for the YouTubers because we'll do fiberglass repairs on that shit. But we brought it, so when I messaged him about the body kit, I just wanted that, and then my mate sent me the same fucking thing, and he's like, "Oh, bro, I wonder how much he would take for the whole car." I was like, "I don't know, man. Why don't you message him?" AKA Bad Influence over here. Where the fuck is cunt gone? So we messaged him, and the guy's like, $300, and we're like, "Yes, cunt. Like, what's missing off of it?" So there's fuck all, like there's a little bit missing from it, but it's not heaps. It's not heaps. It's all good. So pretty much, he said yes, and then he found out that I was buying the body kit, so we're coming up together. And he's like, "Oh, it doesn't have rims on it." And we're like, "Well, we could have been told this beforehand, you know, because now the boys don't have fucking rims." And he's like, "Oh, this guy was meant to be giving me a couple of, like, 100, but he doesn't have the money for it. Like, he's not here. Like, you guys are here. I'll do you a deal." I was like, "I've only got 500 on me." So it would have been 450 all up, body kit and car, right? And he's like, $50. And now we got these rims for $50. So can't complain. They're not the best of condition, but at the same time, it's still rims for the car for now. But yeah, so this is actually a Christmas present for Mr. Bad Influence.
Yes.
He keeps saying that he wants to pay me back for it, but guess what? It's not happening, son. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
So this is going to be a start to another project of him. So this is also going to be on the channel, and we are going to be completely rebuilding this thing. So stay in tune, and hope you enjoy this. Is good, guys. So we are coming up to Christmas. And do you know how good it feels? Like, it feels so fucking good right now. I'm currently trying to look for a knife or something, but cause you know, before Christmas, your boy just happened suddenly, right? He just had to go and spend a heap of money on parts for his Civic. But I'm just gonna grab a knife out of the drawer, cause yeah, sick. Now, the first one we have so far. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna have to show this. Like, I'm pretty fucking happy about it. But it's a keyring, right? My granddad made it for me. It's my logo. I was like, yeah, boy, like, that's fucking sick. So he made that for me. I was pretty happy. Can't like lie. Like, I was over the moon about it. But we have a box here. Now, I know it's gonna be one of two things. Don't know what it is though. But I want you guys to be here for like me to. Just to be here whilst I open it, because I'm so fucking excited. So, let's crack that open. What have we got? What have we got? What have we got? I'm so, like, so keen. What is it? Speed Factory. Is that a sticker? Wait, no, if that's a sticker, like, that's the only thing I really care about, eh? Like, fuck the rest of the box off. Like, we're gone. Speed Factory tuning and race fabrications. That's all I wanted. I just wanted the sticker. I don't care about what's in the box. Just kidding, of course I do. Alright. What have we got? Wait, how am I even gonna open this thing? Am I like, oh, there we go. So, if that comes out that way, is this what I think? Oh, yeah, boy. Alrighty. So we have our rods. For now, it's just the rods, but I'm so keen. So these rods are the no-notch D16 Vitara rods. They're the Eagle rods, or the H-beam rods. And they're capable up to 500 horsepower. Can be pushed to 700, but 500 to 700, a lot of things can go wrong. I'm only looking at pushing about 300, 350, so these are perfect for what I wanted. Some people do say that if you go the no-notch rods, apparently like the bolts and stuff, they're meant to be weaker and they can give out. But at the same time, like, I'm not pushing like huge amount of power, so I don't care. I'm doing what I want to do, and if it doesn't work out, then so be it. We'll just do something else, you know. But yeah, so we have our rods. Oh, we do have heads coming in as well. They are coming, so will be added onto the unboxing of like these videos. It's gonna be like a whole Christmas thing. So your boy got his Civic. I got 2 other Civics, you know, one for the body kit, one for the bonnet, and then I've got my rods, and I've got my pistons coming in, so yeah, so good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these. When you come home from a shit day at work, I've got to go get the fucking knife again, alright? Like, don't judge me in this video, like, come on, guys. I just hope you guys enjoy this shit. Because I'm ecstatic, like, I'm so fucking over the moon. But I come home to another parcel, and I know what this is, because I checked my eBay report, my parcel report, and of course, like, you know, this one is from eBay. It's a Civic build, goddammit, like, come on, guys. It wouldn't be a proper Civic build without, you know, your best max speeding. But, yeah, we know what's good. Look at that shit. Yeah, this is going on the Civic. Oh, this makes me so keen. That makes me so happy. Oh. So apparently this is rated to 400 horsepower. I'm only looking at making 350, to 3 to 350, but like, oh, let's get it. Fuck yes. Like, what a shit day at work to come home to. Like, fuck yeah, guys. This is what I mean. You gotta stay positive. Like, you don't know what's around the corner. I'm so fucking stoked. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. So the day has finally come, right? I know this video has taken a while to come out. I haven't uploaded for ages. Thought I'd take a break for Christmas and all the rest of it because I work in a retail store and we kind of get really fucking busy through like Christmas period. But we're gonna be having another video coming out now, so, and I'll be getting back on track with all my videos and stuff. But I wanted this to come in so it wasn't just like, you know, oh, this video, here's a parcel. Oh, this video, here's a parcel. I wanted this to be like a Christmas video, but because of the whole COVID thing, like, it took a while for a lot of it to come in, and it's been a bit busy, so it kind of worked out. But we're here, and it's going to be a late Christmas video, but all of it happened pretty much during Christmas except for the parcels coming in, okay? But we have 2 more parcels. Yes, we do. Now, I know what these are, but I only know because, you know, I ordered them, and it's the last 2 things to come in that I ordered so far off my list. Oh, sorry. Let's get this open. And this is 2 things that I actually talked about in one of my earlier videos when I owned the white Civic. Now, some people are probably questioning what happened to that turboed white Civic. Alright, so I went halves in that with a mate of mine, and he kind of didn't want to do it anymore because it was having problems, but they weren't major problems, but he didn't want to do it anymore, so we ended up selling it. But I ended up buying my Civic, and we're doing bigger and better things with that instead, as you guys know already. But yeah, alright, so I got that plastic off. I'm trying to do this, guys. I know the camera's really wobbly right now, but first things first. Oh my god, I'm just gonna tear this box. I don't care, I just want it out. Yeah, first things first, clear cam cover. Yeah, you remember me talking about this. If you've watched previous videos, you remember me talking about this. So we got a cam cover. Now, if you also know, then you're gonna know what this one is, because it's the 2 things that we were talking about, or 2 things that I was talking about. I'm just gonna face you towards me for now, whilst I try and open this up. Oh my god, no! Putting you guys down for like 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. Jesus Christ! Tape and freaking plastic. Alright, thank you. Yes, sick. I know, it's a beautiful light, isn't it? Huh? Alright, so I got the plastic off. Jesus Christ. And I've got tape on it, of course. I'm not very prepared for this, but I like doing unboxing videos for you guys. It's going to be my first one ever, but... Oh yeah, I busted my finger the other day as well. But, you know, it's okay. And here is our cam gear. Full adjustable cam gear. But yes. So we got clear cam case with an adjustable cam gear, and it's not the orange that I wanted, but it will do. It will do. I'm happy with that. But yeah, so that's gonna wrap it up for these videos. I hope you guys enjoyed. there will be more content coming because I've got the full body kit and all the rest of it, and it all needs fiberglass repairs, and it's gonna be sick. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, please leave a follow and comment, and yeah, like just stick around, man. Like honestly, it's gonna be good. All right.